Hey guys, welcome back to Mr. Everything. Today, we're going to be working on my Honda. To be exact, this is a Honda 1979 180cc. What we're going to work on is the carburetor. The throttle is seized by the carburetor. It needs cleaned. It's kind of gunky in there. The choke is seized, so we're going to go in and clean it up. So, let's get on with the video. Okay guys, so as you can see, we need to get the carburetor out that's right here. So we need to take off the side panel, remove the air filter and the casing for it, and hopefully these bolts come off nice and easy and we can slide it out, get it over to the table and start cleaning. Okay guys, I'm having trouble with this throttle cable, so until I can get it out, I'm gonna go ahead and shut off the camera. My god, what a little turd this was to get out. This thing was like stuck in there. Oh my gosh. So if you're having problems with your throttle being stuck in your carburetor, what I did is I took this, made sure that I didn't get the jet that was in the middle, stuck it over, and lightly tapped on it with the hammer, just a bit, like that, until it hit near the bottom, and then I took a big flathead screwdriver and I pretty much just pried up on it. Now you have to be very careful that you don't hit the jet. I think I might have even damaged it. I don't know, I haven't looked at it. I hope that I didn't damage it, because if I did, then that would not be happy for me at all. I'd be quite sad. So, and notice that when I pull this out, it went this way, so yeah. Or did it go the other way? No, it went this way. Like this. So, I'm going to get off the float and start cleaning stuff up. But I need to clean up my table because it's a big fat mess right now. Let's get back to it. Okay guys, here's what we got going on. This piece right here where your fuel line hooks up to is clogged, so I can't get to here to get fuel into the bowl to get fuel to the engine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some more of this in there, and I'm going to hopefully I'll see it start to drip out in like an hour or so, and then I'll come back with the air compressor and just completely blow it out. So, yeah. I'm going to go check the pressure on the air compressor real quick, because if it's not full, then we can just try the air compressor again real quick. It's not full. I'm going to fill it up and come back. Okay. Let's see if it'll... Well, I think I'll just leave the breakaway in there for a little bit, and then we'll come back and see if we can blow anything out. So, for right now, I'm hungry. I'm going to go get lunch. And I'll be back in a bit. For you guys, it'll be like 1 second, because of the magic of editing. So, yeah. You're lucky. Bye. Okay, you guys. I wasn't filming. I'm an idiot. I just got it to go. All it took, too, was... I think that I could have been fine with brake cleaner, honestly. I didn't need the carb or the breakaway. So, I was like, oh, okay, maybe there's something, like, it's too big and it doesn't want to go out this end. So, I think that all these chemicals loosened it up when I really needed the brake cleaner. So, I stopped blowing from this side and I went from this side, and look. Got fuel again. That's my umbrella. But anyways, yeah. So I mean, how cool. It works. I think it's time to put it back together. Okay guys, here's where we're at. I'm gonna finish putting this back together. I'm gonna put it back on the bike, but when I order the kick lever, I'm gonna order a new spring for the choke because it kind of broke. So yeah. So I gotta order a new spring. I don't think I'll order a carb kit until I get it to where I want to drive it. So, gotta get a new spring, kick lever, and then we'll see if it starts. So, I hope you guys have enjoyed this episode. I'll see you in the next one.